Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. Welcome to DurgaSoft online training. And welcome to data structures and algorithms. Okay, with Java. Okay, sir, batch number 1. Okay, this is the first batch, sir. This is the first batch I'm handling. So I think majority of people you may know about myself. This is K. Prakash Babu. So having experience almost 16 years of experience I have as a technical trainer. Okay, technical trainer. So dealing with various subjects starting from C2 till advanced Java, advanced Python, all these things, right? So you know already I have Python batches, Java batches, and logic based programming batches. But today we are going to introduce a new batch. Okay, we are going to introduce a new concept, of course, which we have maximum demand in the market. Okay, everyone, if you touch any person, so those persons are going to take, sir, do you know DSA? Data structures and algorithms. Do you know DSA? If you know, then immediately they will ask you questions because this DSA, data structures and algorithms, is very, very important topic after learning your Python or Java. Okay, if you are very strong at core Python, if you are very strong at core Java, then definitely this course is recommended. Okay, maybe if you are attending the um, interviews in a company, or if you are already working professional, no problem, but definitely this one is going to help you. Okay, so it is going to talk about the real time scenarios, how you can able to manage the data. See, getting the data from the user is very, very essential in nowadays. If you take any application, definitely it is going to fetch the data from the user, right? Sir, I applied some any, for example, I want to apply for some network connection. Okay, I want to apply for some network connection. Sir, I contacted some local person and I registered for some company in the online portal. Then what will happen? I will receive n number of messages from that company, like so this is the plan we have, or this is the future plans what we have, and this is the opportunities which we are giving, or this is nothing but the offer specially for you. Like that, n number of things will be there. That means what? The company people are collecting the data from my side. Okay, and they are going to process the data. Sir, how you are going to process the data? Collecting the data itself is not sufficient. How you can able to process the data? How you can able to organize the data? If any queries are coming, how you can able to manage? Everything will comes under data structures. In addition to that, algorithms is also added here. What is mean by algorithm? Sir, if I want to prepare a simple program, we will find a way, right? So a step by step process we are going to fix that. So that is called as algorithm. Okay, so how to prepare a basic algorithm? How you can able to calculate? See, if you are having a problem, we have n number of solutions will be there for that problem. Like sir, I want to find out whether the given number is prime number or not. Okay, for that, how many solutions we can accept? Sir, 4 to 5 solutions will be there. Among these 4 to 5 solutions, which solution is going to give best performance? As a student or as a developer, sir, you can bring any one of this logic into your system. But as a working professional, when you are applying this logic in that particular software or in that particular project, how much time it is taking to respond? Suppose if it is taking longer time, you need to optimize that code, right? So for that purpose, analysis of that algorithm is very, very important. So sir, how you can able to analysis the algorithm? Like sir, I want to travel from my native place to Bangalore, or I want to travel from Bangalore to Hyderabad. Sir, there will be n number of paths will be there, but which path I will select? So maybe assume 3 to 4 ways are there. In that, the path which takes less number of kilometers I will choose, because I can reach the target within a stipulated time period. Right? Sir, there in my mind, some algorithm is working. So if you move in direction 1, it will take this time. If you move in this direction 2, it will take some time. If you move in this direction 3, it will take some time. If you move in this direction 4, it will take some time. Like that, sir, I request every student to please switch off your video, Saddam Hussein, because maximum numbers are there. That's why I request everyone to please be active. So don't do these kind of activities. So someone is switch on their video mode. I request everyone to please switch off your video mode. Otherwise, I will put them in the block list, please. Yeah, right. So now this is nothing but what we have, sir. Sir, in these 5 to 6 paths, which path I'm going to select based on my brain? I'm implementing some algorithm. This algorithm is called as shortest path. Okay, so which will comes under graph theory. In the graph theory, we are going to have this particular algorithm, sir. Okay, sir, I request everyone to please be silent. Okay, don't switch on your video modes and don't put any messages on the chat window. Let me take some session and then I will give time for you to answer all the queries. Okay, please wait. Then, sir, then what we have to do, how much time it is taking, how much space it is taking is very, very important for every algorithm. Sir, how you can able to calculate? How you can able to calculate the time taken? How you can able to calculate how much space it is required? Yes, it is mandatory for every algorithm. That's why in this course, how you can able to organize your data and what shortest code you can able to write. So we are concentrating on these things. But sir, I have collected some data and I have in my brain some logic is there, but which logic is going to work, I calculated. Like I applied some theoretical methods on time complexity, I applied some theoretical methods on space complexity. So the first path will take some 10 hours time. Second path is going to take 2 hours time. Third path is going to take 5 hours time. In this, which one is the best time complexity? Second path, because within 2 hours we can reach the destination. Like that theoretical computation, everything is ready with me. Then, sir, if you know how to organize the data mechanisms, and if you know what kind of algorithms we have to apply and how to prepare that algorithm, sir, we need a language, right? So if you explain everything in a theoretical matter, so the people who are coming from btech background, there is one theory subject is there, sir. Design and analysis of algorithms maybe. So if you people know or don't know, I don't know, sir, there is one subject is there called design and analysis of algorithms. The people who are coming from IT background, I think, I mean IT CSE, so they can understand this one. Sir, means what? Sir, we have to design a proper algorithm. So we have to design the time complexity, we have to calculate the time and space complexities. From that, the best algorithm we have selected. Sir, now we have algorithm is there in our hand, and we know clients also are ready to give their data. Sir, we need to go into onboard project. So we have to write the code, right? Once if you write the code, then that application is going to get the data from user in your organized manner. Okay, then that application is going to submit that data to the server or database or file or anything. Okay, so while retrieving also, we can retrieve the data. So which algorithms we have to apply is there in our hand. So for that, compulsory you required a programming language. Okay, so without doing this, okay, without doing this, we can't able to run, sir. We can't able to run any project. Without this, we can't able to run any project. So in this particular course, what we are going to talk, data structures we are going to discuss. So almost we have 10 to 15 data structures are there. Everything we are going to cover, and also algorithms. Sir, we have bunch of algorithms are there. Minimum 20 to 30 algorithms we are going to cover, and the programming languages are which we are using. The programming language is nothing but Java. Sir, if you want to continue to this batch, if you want to continue learning this DSA, compulsory you should have a minimum knowledge on Java. Sir, I don't know anything about Java. Is it possible to continue? Means, sir, strictly speaking, it is not possible. Okay, compulsory you should have idea about Java. Sir, if you don't know anything about Java, don't worry, don't worry. I will give clarity on that. Sir, how you can able to do that? Okay. So how you can able to do that? I will give clarity. Like any Java, sir, parallelly I can attend Java classes. So yes, you can do that. So I will give clarity on that. Don't worry. Just a minute. Yeah. So this is nothing but the main course agenda, sir. What is the main course agenda? Data structures we are going to cover, algorithms we are going to cover by using which programming language? Java. Sir, can you please tell me what is the syllabus that we are going to cover? Okay, what is the syllabus we are going to cover on this? Yes, we are going to have a huge syllabus, and luckily, sir, this is the first batch which I am handling. So that's why, sir, I may take some extra time. Okay, so I may take some extra time, and even I'm going to plan new concepts for you people. At very first time, you can expect more content, sir. Okay, so if you are having any doubts, or if you are having, sir, this is nothing but my requirement. So can we include this in our syllabus? Means yes, why can't? If it is possible, definitely I will add that one also, sir, into our course. Okay, now you can able to see this is nothing but the syllabus what I am going to plan. Okay, sir, what things are there here? You can able to see, sir, total almost 23 chapters I am going to cover. I am going to share this link also for you people. I am going to share this link also for you people. In this, the complete syllabus is available. Let me copy paste this chapter wise. This is tentative syllabus, sir. Okay, this is tentative syllabus. Okay, this is tentative syllabus. Okay, sir, have a look once. First, we are going to talk about introduction to data structures and algorithms, and what is the problem solving. How you can able to solve the problems. How you can able to prepare the algorithms. What tools are required. How you can calculate the time and the space complexities. Okay, then notations are there, asymptotic notations, theta notation, big O notation. Okay, like that we have some notations are there. So maybe if you are from already CSC background, you know very well about these words. But otherwise, no worries. I will explain in a more beautiful manner. Okay, so aspects of algorithms. Sir, how you can able to prepare mathematical algorithms? How you can able to work on bitwise operations, recursion? Okay, sir, you can't imagine that minimum 20 programs I'm going to take only on recursion. Minimum 20 programs. So what is the recursion? How this recursion concept came into the picture? So what is mean by finite recursion? What is mean by infinite recursion? What is the base condition? So without base condition, what is the flow of execution? With the base condition, how you can able to do that? Sir, what is the real time scenario of recursion? Maybe you have heard towers of Hanai. Okay, like n number of big problems will be there, sir. Those things simply you can able to solve by using recursion concept. Simply by using recursion concept, you can able to solve. Sir, how to do that? And what advantages are there in recursion? What disadvantages are there? And we know arrays are the best data structures which we have in the programming language, irrespective of programming language. Okay, sir, please wait, please wait. So irrespective of programming languages, so arrays is nothing but the best data structure what we have. Okay, so in C language we have arrays, in C++ we have arrays, in Java also we have arrays. So with the help of these arrays, how to prepare a basic data structure? Sir, data structure means what? Storing and organizing the data. Here also arrays are capable of storing the data, right? You can able to organize that data also in a sorting order. If you want, you can do in descending order, ascending order. You can perform efficient searching mechanisms. n number of things we can do in arrays. I want to add a new element to the array. I want to remove an element from the array. I want to apply some functionalities. Yes, everything you can able to do here. Okay, once if it is clear, then the two-dimensional arrays also we can discuss here, which is nothing but matrices. On the matrices we are going to cover n number of programs. Then searching and sorting techniques, almost we have 10 to 15 sorting techniques, and two searching techniques are there, you know very well, linear search and binary search with graphical representation. Sir, I will show you with the diagram how the searching is going to be happen minimum two times. By taking two examples, I will clearly explain the algorithm. Then we will go with the implementation of this program in Java. Okay, in this also, by using recursion, how you can able to do, without recursion, how you can able to do, that part also we will concentrate. Then, as you know, that linked list, which is the best data structure in the market, right? Sir, how to create a linked list? In the linked list, so we have four types are there. If you remember, sir, single linked list, double linked list, circular single linked list, circular double linked list. So I will explain the real-time examples also where we can take this linked list. Okay, soon after explanation of this syllabus, I will go with some real-time examples. So minimum 5 examples I am going to take today where we can use these data structures with the live examples. Then, as we know that stack is there, so which technique stack is going to follow? Last in, first out, LIFO technique. That means the object which came at last will have highest priority. Okay, the object which came last will have the highest priority. Assume, sir, a rack is there. You are keep on keeping the books on that rack. Sir, the book which you have kept the latest is going to access first. If you access in the middle, what will happen? The entire books will be collapsed, right? Okay, organizing the plates. Okay, if you organize the plates one by one, like 20 plates, if you keep, which plate you will access first? The plate which you have kept at last will be the first place that you are going to take. Sir, which concept it is? Stack. So especially in these 100 members, if any girl students are there, okay, sir, you can able to remember, ma'am. So when you are wearing the bangles, so you are going to wear the bangles only in one side. Okay, so once if you insert 5 bangles, the bangle which you have inserted at last will be the bangle which you are going to remove first, right? This data structure is called as stack internally. So without knowing, we are implementing the data structure in the day-to-day life. And you know about the queues, we have n number of queues are there, we will talk about that later. Priority queues, how you can able to work, all these things we will discuss. And binary trees, binary search trees, okay, AVL trees, n number of red black trees like this we have. So we will pick up some 4 to 5 trees, and how to insert an element. Sir, this is a tree is a very important data structure. Okay, in the real time where we can use that, I will explain. And we have hashing techniques are there, hash tables. So how the objects are stored in the data. Okay, so hashing means what, how you can able to apply hashing. AVL trees, so how to implement dictionaries? Dictionaries, or we can use the word called maps. Dictionaries means what? So map, key value pairs will be there. And how to represent the graph. So just now I explained, if you want to travel from one place to another place, so if you open Google Maps, if you select source and destination, n number of paths will be there. It is called as a graph. From which location to which location you want to move. So among that, what are the available paths? It is nothing but a graph. And we will talk about these beautiful algorithms like greedy algorithms, backtracking algorithms, dynamic programming. In this minimum some 2 to 3 programs I will take on every algorithm. So how you can able to solve, like salesman problem. Okay, so 0 by 1 apps of problem. All these things with the help of Java implementations we will do, sir. Okay, so this is nothing but what is the syllabus that we are going to cover on this course. Sir, what about the duration? Okay, what about the duration? Sir, simple message. Don't ask about this duration. Minimum, sir, 2 to 3 months you can expect. Okay, 2 to 3 months you can expect. The timings of this batch is nothing but, sir, 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. you have. Okay, sir, Monday to Monday to maximum Friday. Okay, Monday to Friday So we will have, so the duration of this course is from 2 to 3 months. Okay, 2 to 3 months timings will be there. Okay, the timings are nothing but 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. So this is the first batch. That's why we are taking huge amount of time. And meanwhile, so I may cancel 1 or 2 classes also. Okay, maybe weekly. You won't expect the regular classes. Maybe monthly, minimum 2 or 3 times I will cancel the classes because of maybe if anywhere preparation is required only because of you. Okay, right? If I want to give good content for you people, definitely I need to prepare well, right? So by taking the real time examples, how the code is going to work, of course I have the programs, but I need to explain for you people in a more understandable manner, right? So for that I may take some time. Okay, don't worry, but maximum 3 months, within that I can find out. And sometimes, sir, in the beginning itself, I am telling, sometimes if time requires, I will take some special class on Saturdays. Okay, definitely I will take some special class on Saturdays or else Sundays also. So be prepared for that, because sometimes if I want to explain single linked list program and a double linked list program, definitely I will plan on Saturday or Sunday, because 1.5 hour session is required, or sometimes 2 hour session is required. Like how it is going to work. So how you can able to connect from one node to another node. So how you can able to connect from previous node to next node. So to explain all these things, continuation must be required. See, if you have a big problem is there, I will cut that problem into individual pieces. Like how you are going to postmortem on any person. So this is head, this is nothing but hand one, this is nothing but hand two, this is nothing but heart. But once if you connect, the functionality will be like this. Okay, like I will divide every part, like sir, if you take linked list, inserting an item, inserting an object into linked list, sir, a separate 10 minutes topic. Sir, deleting an item from linked list. Sir, 10 minutes topic. So searching for an element in linked list. Sir, 10 minutes topic. So in the insertion, sir, you can insert at beginning, you can insert at ending, you can insert at any position for that 10 minutes or 15 minutes. So first I will explain the algorithm, then I will construct that algorithm into code. We will copy paste that code. So all the codes we will maintain, all the parts of the program you will maintain, something like divide and combine policy. Okay, we will divide the problem. We will take all the pieces of code. Finally, if all our analysis is completed, we will bring all those pieces into a frame so that we can maintain a particular format. Okay, like that our classes will be there. For that, if you don't want to miss continuity, definitely maybe in a month minimum 2 times I will take on weekends also. You should be in a position to what you can call attend. And one more thing, sir, try to register for this course, because the fees for this batch is nothing but, sir, you will get shock after seeing this, right? Already you know, 999. So no one is going to provide this course for this fees, because at the introduction time we are giving this particular price, sir. Okay, you can't expect this price even in future also. Okay, because very first time, right? So even for myself it will be like a practice. Okay, so wherever concepts are getting struggled, we will do some postmortem on that, we will combine and we will take some solutions for that, and finally we will get the result. But once if batch is materialized, next time onwards you can't expect the fees for this batch. Okay, so that much content I'm going to provide. Sir, here we are not compromising with the content. So content fees completely different aspects for this batch. Remember this word. For this batch, fees and content is no way related. So even if the course exceed to 3.5 months also, I am ready to provide the content. Okay, but next time onwards, based on the materialized concepts, whatever we have, we will fix the fees. Okay, so and one more time I am reminding, if you are attending, these demo sessions, maybe 2 days or 3 days will be there, that's or not more than that, immediately start registering for this course, sir. Immediately start registering for this course, sir. To whom we have to contact? 720, okay, sir, 721 2427. This is one number, or you can contact sir 9246. 212143. Immediately 212143. Immediately contact to this number and immediately you can start paying the fees. Okay, because 999 is not a matter, right? One or two movies price. Okay, and one more thing, sir, I don't know Java, but I am very much eager to continue this batch. Sir, how you can able to do? Don't worry, sir. Already core Java batch is running. Okay, core Java batch is running at 7 a.m. in the morning. 7 a.m. in the morning. It is a new batch, almost 5 classes completed. 5 classes completed. So you can register for this batch. This batch fees is nothing but 5,000. If you are willing, just you can contact to the same numbers. So I want to attend Prakash sir core Java classes at morning 7 a.m. Like that, if you contact to admin team, they will provide immediately access for them. Okay. So already 5 classes completed. Tomorrow is the sixth class. So parallelly, if you are learning also, no problem. It will be very easy because at the very beginning, maybe 1.5 week or 2 weeks, we are concentrating on algorithms only. So there a simple Java programs only I'm going to cover. Okay. So this is nothing but what is the content that I'm going to deliver for you people. As of now, tentatively 23 chapters just at the top level I prepared, sir. But at finally we will get a document with minimum 25 to 30 chapters. Okay, and I hope every topic I included here, and compulsory Java knowledge must be required if you want to continue. Without Java, it is not possible, sir. Better to plan accordingly Java also, then it will be fine. Okay, sir. Now it's time for you to ask queries. So I will give answers for every query. So please post it on chat window. Please post it on chat window. Okay. Um. Yeah. Please. I will wait. Please wait. Please wait. So almost 15 questions are there. Please wait, sir. I will answer all questions. Then you can put the remaining questions. Please wait, remaining people. So I know data structures, but I don't to apply logic in questions. So yeah, definitely, Avinash. Definitely, it will be useful. See, I'm going to explain every concept. I will bring that concept into our real-time scenarios. Sir, will this syllabus sufficient to solve Microsoft and Amazon company level lead code problems? See, Poonam, problem solving is different from the data structures and algorithms. So they can give any problem. You need to analyze the algorithm first of all. Then implementation will become very different. See, everything is different aspects. But definitely this code will help you. Up to which percent? 70%. Rest of the things you have to think. Sir, I know data structures. I'm ready to implement the program. Is no. Logical thinking is also required. Parallelly, you can able to do. Okay. Sir, this is not a programming batch. Again, I'm telling it is not programming branch. So here we are not going to solve the problems. If you want to learn problem solving, better to go for logic based course. Here we are doing post-mortem on the algorithms, data structures, what are there in the market, and how to bring that data structures into real-time scenarios. Like just now I told bangles or plates arrangement. So suppose consider I want to prepare a movie ticket reservation system. There, suppose maybe 5 to 6 members are made a payment for the ticket reservation, or they are applying for ticket reservation. The person who came first in the queue, we have to process that request. There, which data structure we are going to implement? Queue data structure. How to implement that in our Java? That part I am going to explain. Clear? Yeah, a lot of people are interested to join, but the capacity is full. Yeah, yeah. Yes, I can understand because the time, sorry, the limit got exceeded. Okay, no worries. We will looking for alternatives for this. Okay, don't worry. Yeah, merge sort, quick sort, bubble sort, selection sort, everything will be covered. Radix sort, everything will be covered with examples. LIFO, yeah, yeah. Sir, yeah, that's what I told, right? The meeting is showing full, but don't worry. We are looking for alternative for that. Sorry for that inconvenience. Okay. The batch is going to start immediately, sir. This is the first class only. Only 2 to 3 demos will be there. Then immediately you can join. Yeah, bits manipulations also we are going to cover. Krishna Gupta. So if you miss the class, definitely you have to watch the recordings. But my sincere suggestion is don't miss the class. Okay, don't miss the class. So because live sessions are very, very important, especially in data structures. If it is a core concept like theory concept, sir, when I'm talking about recursion, or if I want to take about for loop, syntax of for loop, how it is going to work, one or two examples. Even if you watch that video 1 year later also you can able to understand. But linked list, how that diagram flow, so how you can able to connect from one node to another node. See, whatever concepts I am explaining on that 1 hour, you have to forget the entire thing in your brain. You have to concentrate on our class, then only it will be fulfilled, otherwise nothing will happen. Parallelly you have to match my mindset, okay, like how I am going to take, so then only you can able to continue this. Okay. After this course completion, recorded sessions will be available. Yes, as of now, as usual, 6 months or 7 months availability will be there. Yes, recording videos we will provide with the 7 months access. Running notes full-fledgedly I will give, sir. Are you providing recording sessions? Yeah, Python as of now it is not Python, sir. Please ignore. It is only for Java. Yeah, recorded videos I will provide. Don't worry. Yeah, basics of design thinking. Yes, Kiran, definitely we will do. That is the main concept of algorithms. So how to prepare the algorithms from the scratch we will start. The batch will start immediately. No, we are not going to touch any hacker rank or lead code, anything. We are explaining the theoretical principle of data structure. So how to prepare algorithm for that, how to bring into the application. That's all. Sachin, as of now, no interview questions, but definitely we will plan in that. Yes, up to certain limit, you can able to crack any interviews, sir. Because so DSA based questions if you are getting after completion of this course, definitely you can able to answer. No, it is not a programming course, sir. It is data structures. So I'm not answering for all the questions because majority of the questions are repeatedly asking, like videos. Yes, recorded videos we will provide, and even this video is also uploaded into YouTube within few minutes. No, it is not possible to record by yourself, and even that recording download also you can't able to do. Yeah, notes will be provided. Sushil, yes, we will do that on the future classes, dynamic programming on very first day, last chapter you are asking. So what is dynamic programming? What is the principle of dynamic programming? Everything will be there. Yeah, placements, you can see that in our Telegram group. Okay. Yeah, timing is fixed. This batch timing is from 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Here we are not going to use any tools, only Java we are going to use. Yeah, if you want to get both the competitive programming already, sir, one more batch is there, logic based programming. Logic based programming. You can search on YouTube, you will get it. So this batch is also currently running at 8 p.m. Latest, almost some 20 problems I discussed out of 350. So we have 350 programs are there in this. So we have solved 20 programs till now. It is completely programming based. If anyone interested in programming based, you can go for that. So we are going to provide implementation in C, Java, and Python. In all these languages, we are providing the implementation. Okay. So this fees is rupees 2000. Yeah, some people are asking always about the coding. You please contact to admin team and ask them for Prakash sir logic based programming classes at 8 p.m. You can get. Kartika, you can able to understand what is a big O notation, what is the omega notation, theta notation, everything. With examples, I will provide. Pavan, that will be depends on practice. No, there won't be any clashes for batches, Rashmi. 7 to 8 DSA, 8 to 9 logic based. Yes, videos will be provided. Yeah, for campus placements, it will be provided, sir. Yes, we will give the best from our side. Okay, by including all the content. Don't worry. If you want to implement a DSA, just you need to have a knowledge on Java. Yes, AVL trees, P trees also we are going to cover. Guruji, please don't send again and again same message. I told right, we are going to start DSA with Python, maybe in further, not now. Okay, C++ with DSA, I'm not going to start. This batch is only for DSA with Java. Okay, I already told right. Probably the batch capacity will be fixed by our admin team, but as of now, I don't know about that. We are trying to increase the class strength limit. No, online videos won't be available. Sir, my recommendation, even if you purchase the course, better to try to attend the classes in live, because this is not like a normal theory class or logic based class. By understanding the problem statement, you can able to get, because it is a completely your involvement should be there. Yeah, you can ask live queries in the course. No problem. For this prerequisite is only Java. No morning batch, only evening. Yes, running notes will be provided, sir. Yeah, we will try to insert interview questions while taking the concepts. Okay. No. Compulsory programming background must be required. That too, especially Java knowledge must be required, because I am going to use a collections concept. I am going to use exception handling. I am going to use generics concept. Everywhere I am going to use all these things. Okay. So compulsory knowledge must be required. Okay. DSA with Java means data structures and algorithms. Implementation will be there in Java. Guruji, again and again, why you are putting the same message? I already told this batch is only with Java, not with any other language. Once who have done the payment, you can send a screenshot to durgasoftonlinetraining@gmail.com. Okay. No, we are not going to touch any design patterns. Krishna, no, those advanced topics we are not going to cover. No, Rohit, it is not pattern related programs here want to be there. That will be covered in logic based programming. So here we are going to expect more than 100 programs on patterns. Yeah, everything will be implemented. Double linked list, circular linked list, everything. For every program, I mean for every concept, we will take minimum 2 to 3 examples. Yeah, that's what I told. Logic based programming already is there at 8 p.m. So if anyone interested, please register. Please contact to these numbers. Yes, AVL tree coding we are going to do. Yes, all the chapter implementations will be there. Stack, queue, linked list, priority queues, everything. Yeah, tomorrow class will be there, same timing. Please wait, sir. Don't leave the meeting because tomorrow link is going to change. I will share now. Yeah, Saturday, Sunday, maximum holiday. No, there won't be any clashes for these batches. Logic based separately, and this one is separately. No, no, no. Logic based programming is a separate batch. This one is a separate batch. For joining into this DSA, compulsory Java knowledge must be required. But for logic based programming knowledge, at least if you have some 20 to 30%, it will be sufficient because we are starting from the scratch there. But here we will start from advanced. Yeah, live queries will be there. I told already, right? Java, complete Java you required, sir. Oops concepts, exception handling, okay, multi-threading. Next and after that, collections, these things are mandatory. Sometimes I may take 1 or 2 mini projects also. So in that database connectivity is also required. These are not offline classes, only online. Yeah, we can ask questions in live, but today demo, right? Maximum students are there. That's why I'm not going to give the permission. Yeah, strings concepts also will be there. On strings, we are going to cover maximum 20 to 30 applications. Yeah, we are going to cover all the basic CRUD operations on every data structure, max. For IDE, we will see, sir. Majority of the times I will use edit plus only, but if time require, we will shift. No, it will be there only on Zoom. No problem, Udeshri. These videos will be available for you up to 7 months. Yeah, no problem, Pratik. It will be good. Once if oops started, then it will be fine. Logic based programming means almost you can expect more things, like every concept will be covered there. You can watch in the videos, in the YouTube demo videos are there. Yes, 8 p.m. batch is going on. Yeah, you can join both, no problem. No, current course and logic based programming is not relevant. Yeah, this video will be uploaded within few minutes in the YouTube. Yeah, just a second. Sir, from tomorrow the link is going to change. 1 minute, I will share that link for you people. Yeah, so this is nothing but the link. Just please wait, I will share. But so many questions are there. First, let me answer all those questions. Don't leave the meeting. At the end, I will share that. Yeah. So I'm sharing the new link on the chat window. You can able to copy paste. And the logic based videos also, just a minute, I will share. You can able to refer that. Yeah, so this is nothing but the playlist of logic based programming course. So those who are interested, you can contact to the admin numbers, whatever I have given, and you can register for both. Yeah, right. I hope all your doubts got clarified. Okay. So today just I have given only syllabus overview and what is our course plan. That's all. I didn't provide more than this, right? So tomorrow we will meet for the continuation. So tomorrow agenda is nothing but I'm going to define what is mean by data structure. Okay, what is mean by data structure? What is the classification of data structure and how the data structures will be useful in real-time scenarios. I have almost 20 real-time scenario examples are there. So maybe one by one we will see. Okay. Yes. So I'm sharing that link again in the chat window. Please use that. Prerequisite before studying DSA is Java knowledge must be required. Java knowledge must be required. Okay. Right. So thank you. You can leave the session. Rest of the things we will continue tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, very good. Those who have paid the fee, send a screenshot to durgasoft@gmail.com. So try to register as early as possible. Okay. Right, sir. Thank you. Up to which topic? Java knowledge. Sir, total Java must be required. I told already, because we will concentrate on OOPS concepts mainly, like how to create a constructor. So how to get setters and getter methods, how to overload the methods. So how to use the collections, everything will be there. Okay, that's why. Right. Thank you.